Nyasi manobagi e sikund jo mong'ol Kise oyangore ni nitiere dwaro matimo nonro mapiyo kendo doho tweyo jogo moyude gi ketho mar rocho ratich oganda. Nonro mar jogo makedo ne ratich oganda bende oyango ni thoth achijego gin jogo mong'ere, ka jokanyogo medo ni achiel kuom yore mag thiro chal makamano en medo chiwo puonj kendo tiego oganda e wi yore maginyalo chiwo godo lipot koda e seche ma oroch ratiro margi.
Lot of information for you, Walimu, that you can read up, call psychological, emotional.
Child abuse and neglect, and in this child abuse and neglect, it includes all abuses and even how to detect them and how to protect them. Apart from teaching, training these teachers at this particular place, we also carry out what we call outreach programs, where we go outside to mashinani to reach the unreached.
When you hear a learner complaining, first believe the learner. Before you talk and even consult more on the adult, believe first the learner. Remain calm, think about what they are saying, follow them, and then later you are able to build on the story and you'll be able to bring the culprit to book.
So the teacher must be able to help the children, first help the children to be self-preventing, to prevent abuse by themselves, and then to be able to report whenever they are threatened or whenever it occurs. And we believe that by doing this, by sensitizing the teachers, even though the sensitization that we are having here is not comprehensive, we intend to give them deeper training. This was just like to break the ice. And then after that, we'd organize for more robust training so that the teachers are well equipped.